Hi, this is James with Hearing Aid 911. I have a quick hearing aid tip for you. Hearing Aid 911 is a mobile hearing aid repair lab in Boulder County. So whether you need your hearing aids repaired or reprogrammed, or if it's time to test your hearing and get new hearing aids, we can do that remotely with low touch and no touch audiology from our mobile hearing aid trucks. While you're waiting in your house, we take care of it all for you. Now, here's the question. These masks and your hearing aids, are they getting along? My guess is no. We've been noticing a huge uptick in lost hearing aids as a result of these masks. Because here's what happens. We put the masks on, and when they come off again, everything comes with it. Everything. What do we do about that? Well, it's a quick and simple fix. What I did was I went down to Neptune Mountaineering and I bought a little plastic clasp. And I attached it to my mask. And so now we just clip it in the back underneath the ears instead of over the top. You can get these little clasps from Neptune, of course, but you can also get them from Michael's and Joann's and Walmart and Target. And that fixes the problem. It holds tight and secure, it's pretty comfortable, and you don't have to worry about all that extra risk of loss by putting the mask over the top of the ears. I hope that's helpful to you. Stay safe. Good luck. This is James from Hearing Aid 911.